Ever wondered why superheroes love their veggies? Let's embark on a colorful journey to find out. Meet Broccoli Bob, a tiny tree with mighty powers to keep you strong and smart. Carrot Carol can see in the dark. How? With her supervision powers, of course. Spinach Sam is not just strong, he's as quick as lightning, thanks to his leafy greens. Our hero wonders, can vegetables really be this magical? In the land of Veggieville, every vegetable holds a secret power waiting to be discovered. Tomato Tina teaches our hero about the art of balance and the power of antioxidants. Pepper Pete shows that even a little spice can make a big difference in fighting germs. Our hero's journey through Veggieville turns skepticism into a quest for more knowledge. Beetroot Betty's endurance lesson shows that energy and stamina come from the ground. Learning from Onion Oliver, our hero discovers that layers reveal inner strength and protection. Join us on this veggie adventure and discover your own superpowers within.